ETFs are just the beginning of a tech revolution in financial markets. The next step? Tokenizing every financial asset. We're keeping a close eye on Bitcoin and other cryptos, trying to predict which ones will be the next to get an ETF. In a recent video we made, there's a hint that a spot Ether ETF might not be far behind. The question is, how soon will it happen? And could it be Solana, Cardano, or Chainlink? The introduction of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, symbolizes a triumph for the crypto industry in its protracted struggle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. In the aftermath of this breakthrough, Larry Fink, the CEO of Blackrock, the world's largest asset manager, perceives these ETFs as just the opening salvo in a broader financial revolution. Originally designed to offer investors exposure to a nascent and volatile asset class, ETFs now serve as a prelude to the sweeping tokenization of diverse financial assets, transcending the confines of Bitcoin, according to Fink's recent remarks on CNBC's Squawk Box. Beyond the confines of Bitcoin, Fink envisions a future where blockchain technology fundamentally transforms financial markets. His assertion aligns with the resurgent interest in tokenizing real-world assets, such as gold, which gained momentum following BlackRock's application for a Bitcoin ETF in June. Fink's perspective underscores the transformative potential of blockchain technology, presenting it as the linchpin for unlocking new possibilities in finance. While Bitcoin is viewed as the trailblazer ushering in broader crypto integration into traditional finance, Fink extends his focus beyond individual cryptocurrencies. In his view, blockchain technology stands poised to upgrade existing systems across various industries. Even with the growing acceptance of Bitcoin, caution persists, especially concerning other cryptocurrencies. Remember the gold ETF back in 2004? It transformed the way people owned gold. Similarly, Bitcoin ETFs are a game changer. Coinbase is acting as the custodian, making it safer and cleaner for investors. This move could significantly impact Bitcoin's price, with our base case reaching $600,000. The recent SEC approval is a green light, increasing the probability of a bull case. Now, let's talk predictions. In the next 12 months, we're looking at over $100,000, possibly even $150,000. But what about the next 5 years? It's uncertain, but the real question is, which crypto is next in line? Solana, Cardano, Chainlink. They all have potential. The key obstacle to our financial freedom is shrinking. Sure, crypto has its skeptics, pointing to its speculative and volatile nature. But the SEC approval is a monumental step. Coinbase's CEO sees it as acknowledgement from the government that crypto is here to stay. What does Larry Fink think about the live Bitcoin ETF? How big of a deal is it for BlackRock? Larry's perspective has shifted over the years, and he now believes in crypto as an alternative source for wealth holding. While he doesn't see it becoming a currency, he acknowledges its potential as an asset class. The advent of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, marks a significant milestone following an arduous battle between the crypto industry and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, views this development as just the initial stride towards a transformative era in finance. BlackRock's June application for a Bitcoin ETF sparked optimism and is considered a catalyst for the current wave of enthusiasm around ETFs. This development prompted a resurgence in discussions about tokenizing real-world assets such as gold. Financial institutions began championing this approach, asserting that it would empower them to furnish clients with more comprehensive information and data regarding their investments. While Bitcoin is often viewed as the precursor to a broader integration of crypto into the traditional financial system, Fink's focus extends beyond individual cryptocurrencies. He foresees a future where blockchain technology upgrades existing systems across various industries. Despite the growing acceptance of Bitcoin, particularly by influential financial entities like BlackRock, caution remains prevalent, especially concerning other cryptocurrencies. As the crypto community eagerly anticipates the SEC's decision on spot Ether ETFs, slated for May, Fink emphasizes the importance of blockchain technology deployment for system enhancement. Expressing his support for an Ethereum ETH ETF, he underscores that these ETFs represent just the initial steps toward the broader goal of tokenization. Fink envisions a world where the technology for tokenization is already at our disposal. A tokenized security, he explains, ensures that every transaction is immediately recorded on a general ledger, eliminating corruption by establishing a transparent and tamper-resistant system. In essence, Fink's perspective reflects a forward-looking approach, positioning ETFs and tokenization as pivotal components in reshaping the future landscape of finance. So, the big question remains, which crypto will get an ETF next? Let's see what the experts have to say. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned as we dive deeper into the crypto world. You see, here at KTC, we believe the value of Bitcoin rises when the world is gripped by fear, be it geopolitical risks or personal uncertainties. It's akin to what gold represented over centuries, a protective asset class. Kathy Wood, on our recent broadcast, envisions a base case of $600,000 for Bitcoin. Our base case aligns with this, but our bull case, especially with SEC approval, sees a potential surge to $1.5 million by 2030. Now, let's talk about ETFs. They're just the beginning of a broader technological revolution in financial markets. Step 2, tokenization of every financial asset. This is where the future lies. We're scrutinizing Bitcoin and ETFs as crucial steps towards this tokenized future. Larry Fink is eyeing an Ethereum ETF, signaling a growing appetite for diverse crypto instruments. But, let's be clear, the underlying crypto asset is highly speculative, with use cases ranging from the legitimate to the illicit. Gary Gensler's regulatory stance has been a hot topic, but as advocates, we believe this industry's legitimacy is growing, akin to gold's monetary standing over millennia. Now, regulation is a crucial aspect. Despite skepticism, a significant portion of the crypto market is not considered securities, but commodities. This industry is evolving, and we're witnessing a regulatory milestone that legitimizes its power. As we navigate through this complex landscape, it's essential to stay informed and keep an eye on the evolving narratives in the crypto world. So, there's a lot of chatter about initial coin offerings, debating what's a security and what's not. While it's a crucial discussion, for a significant chunk of the market, it's not exactly the burning question. The real question is crypto the beanie baby of our era? Or is it an invaluable part of the financial system's future? It's a debate that goes beyond the legal and regulatory aspects. Undeniably, there's innovation in the crypto space, particularly around ledger systems like blockchain technology. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We're knee-deep in conflicts, fraud, and abuse. Without pointing fingers at specific tokens, many in the industry could be classified as securities under current laws. Now, Larry Fink's reluctance to name specific altcoins for tokenization, apart from Ethereum, is understandable. It's a strategic move, steering clear of unnecessary battles. Contrastingly, Brian Armstrong of Coinbase is in the ring with the SEC, boldly fighting against claims of listing securities. His specificity on the future of the industry stems from the ongoing legal tussle. Personally, we see Ethereum, Chainlink, Polkadot, XRP, and Solana as prime candidates for an ETF. These coins boast strong ties to regulators and enjoy regulatory clarity. But hey, let's discuss, who do you think deserves an ETF? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. The cryptocurrency market is on fire, and we're here to keep you informed with daily updates. Speaking of ETFs, in a recent video, the notion of a spot Ether ETF quickly following caught our attention. Predicting the exact date is tricky, but it's a positive sign for other crypto assets eyeing their ETF debut. Imagine an entire index fund for crypto assets, the Coinbase 500, anyone? The potential for different funds focusing on DeFi, staking, NFTs, and more is vast. This marks a pivotal moment in the financial markets, opening doors for exciting new crypto products. Stay tuned as this space continues to evolve.